Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah with GotSafety here with today's lesson on material handling lifting. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Overexertion is a leading cause of injuries in the workplace, with back injuries estimated to make up roughly 52% of those injuries. This lesson will help you recognize the risk factors and know how to practice good lifting techniques that can help reduce the strain on your body and help you work more safely. There are several risk factors when handling the materials that you need to be aware of so you can continue to work safely. Be conscious of situations when you experience the following: awkward positions like twisting or reaching, repetitive motions, forceful exertions, pressure points such as the wrist or knees, and vibration. Now, when it comes to lifting techniques, there are several ways to maintain your balance and lift safely. Remember to always get a secure grip. It is recommended to use both hands. Use smooth, even motions and avoid jerking. Keep material as close to the body as possible. Try to use the legs to push up the load to take pressure off of the back. Avoid twisting the body when lifting or carrying material. When possible, alternate heavy lifting with other.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.